What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing our grill overlay. It just lays right over top of our existing grill, and you put in a couple clamps. Here's the instructions. Real simple. There's screws. You screw the clamps into here. 6 locations: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're not going to put on the scatpack bezels because it was too much involved and a lot of room for error. So we're just going to put on this grill overlay, which I think looks real nice. Now, I would prefer this as an actual grill and not an overlay, but this is what we came up with. So we're going to be installing this. We'll show you guys how to install it. And these are the instructions, and a couple clamps is clamped down. I'll show you in a second. So let's get right into the video. Now here's the little instructions, and it comes in a nice little bag. 6 clamps and 6 screws. We'll just screw these on. Now the tools needed for this job is a plastic pry tool and a Phillips head screwdriver for the screws here. And that's it. And the pry tool is to get these little clamps off so you can reach your hand behind this here. So there are 6 of these little clamp things here and a screw. So the screw goes into each location. You put the screw into here. This would come onto the back side and over top of the back of your existing grill. So you just screw this on just like this. Put the screw onto here. And it'll lock right in place. This will actually clamp against your existing grill and hold this in place. This is 6 of these. So to install it, we'll have to remove a part of the trim on the under the hood, which I'll show you guys. So here we're going to remove this trim here so that we can reach our hand down in here into the grill and screw on our clamps here. So this will make it a whole lot easier just to remove this part here. And it's just 4 little clamps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you remove these, you'll be able to lift up on this and it comes right out, and you'll be able to reach your hand down, screw on your clamps. Two. Put that back on here so we don't lose it. Three. And 1 more. 4. Now that this is kind of loose, we can stick our hand back in here just like this. We can stick our hand back in there and tighten up our screws. So you don't have to remove it, but just enough so that you can stick your hand back there. That's all we need. All right, guys, we got it installed. We're just going to pop our rivets back in. All right, so we got the grill fully installed. It looks pretty good. And again, basically, this is overlaid right on top of your existing grill, and it looks a whole lot better. It looks a whole lot better. It looks pretty good. Now, all we did was put screws in 6 locations and bolted it right on top of our existing grill. And it's pretty snug, nice and snug. Made sure everything was on nice and tight, and we loosened up this part here and just stuck our hand down and fastened up our screws. And it looks decent. Again, I would have preferred that was an actual grill and not an overlay, but it came out pretty nice. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys like to purchase one of these. They're from Amazon. I think they cost around $65, $70. So that is the installation of the grill overlay, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Stay tuned for the next video. Alex Ortiz Life signing off.